I condensed my entire spring cleaning routine into one robot vacuum. Seriously, one. Imagine never vacuuming or mopping again. Yeah, I'm serious, it's life-changing. Trust, meet the eufy Omni C20. It self-empties, washes, and dries its mop. It's a whole vibe. The all-in-one station means zero effort. Just fill the water and you're literally golden. 7,000 PA suction. This thing sucks up everything. Plus, it's so slim it gets under everything. Obsessed with how this mops, like 180 rotations? Bye-bye, stubborn stains. Pet parents, listen up. The detangle comb is magic. No more gross hair clumps. Period. Run, don't walk. Link in bio. Your clean era starts now. Don't be a silly goose.